Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Agriculture and GK, and today we are going to solve ASRB NET Vegetable Science Olericulture question paper 2018. So, first question is India's share in the case of vegetable production in the world. Answer is 13.7%. Next question, cross pollination in radish due to the reason is protogyny. Next question is Arka Mangla is a variety of, answer is Arka Mangla is a variety of yard long bean. Kashi Sweta is a variety of, answer is radish. Next question, Arka Anand is a cross of, answer is IIH or 2 cross with SM6. Godsend vegetable is known as, answer is winged bean. Monogalacton is obtained from which vegetable crop? Answer is cluster bean. Next question 8. The bean mainly cross-pollinated in nature is a bean, cluster bean. Which species of okra is used in bake crossing for developing of YVMV resistant? Answer is Arka anamica A. esculentum variety tetraphyllus. Next question is 10. The variety of okra resistant moth and leaf curl virus. Answer is variety is Kashi Lila. Sodium rich vegetable crop is lettuce. Acid tolerant vegetable crop. Answer is watermelon. Next question number 13. Chiara technique related with which vegetable crop? Answer is watermelon. Next question number 14. Seedless watermelon developed by utilizing which breeding method? Answer is amphidiploid method. TPS seed rate of potato is 100 to 120 gram. Question 16. The induction of female flower in watermelon tiba used at rate of, answer is 50 to 100 ppm. Next question, seed stock degeneration in potato mainly due to reason is high temperature. Next question, which is from also potato, the tuberization in potato stop at the temperature above, answer is 25 degree Celsius. The biofortified variety of cauliflower which is yellow in color developed by, answer is by IARI. White rust resistant variety of radish is Arka Nishant. The variety of amaranthus which resistant white rust, answer is Arka Saguna, which is developed by IIHR. Seed rate of amaranthus is 1 to 1.5 kg per hectare. The variety of bitter gourd and special character is Pusha Vishesh, which is dwarf wine variety. Next question, highest area of polyhouse cultivation in world, which is in, answer is in China. Cassava use stem cutting for propagation mainly taken from middle portion of the plant. 26. Which vegetable crop leading area in India? Answer is potato. Next question 27. The chemical used in synthetic seed production is, answer is sodium alginate. Next question, which method of seed production used in onion both Kharif and Rabi? Answer is bulb seed method. Which variety of radish developed by family line breeding method? Answer is radish variety is Pusha Chetaki. Next 30. Indra Konkan is the first variety of, answer is pointed gourd. Question 31. Quantity of vine used in transplanting 1 hectare is, answer is 45,000 vines cutting per hectare. The variety of sweet potato having purple skin and yellow flesh which is Shri Vardhini. Take color for certified seed is blue. 34. Isolation distance for foundation seed production in coal crops, answer is approx 1600 meter. 35. The breeding line used in maintain A line is, answer is obviously B line. Which method is costlier in storing of product? Answer is CA storage method. Which peeling method used in carrot? Answer is mechanical peeling is used in carrot. Pre-cooling method suited in leafy vegetable crops method is vacuum cooling. 39. The variety suited for rain-fed cultivation of tomato is Arka Meghali. Question 40. Triple disease resistant is tomato Arka Rakshak. Next question 41. The chili variety CH1 developed by utilizing male sterility. Which type of male sterility? It is a GMS type male sterility. The triploid variety of watermelon suited in polyhouse cultivation. The variety is Pusha Madhura. Next question. Powdery mildew resistant variety of watermelon is Punjab Rasila or Arka Rajhans. Next question 44. Muskmelon variety suited long distance transport, good shelf life, good flesh quality. This is a variety of Kashi Madhu. Next question. EV got propagated by? Answer is EV got propagated by cutting. 46. Seed rate of Kharif okra is? 47. Which species used in resistant breeding? Answer is Arka esculentum tetraphyllus. Cabbage seed production carried out region? Answer is only hilly areas. The percentage of seed recovery of tomato fruit is 20%. French bean seed storage at vapor-proof container, optimum moisture content range is approx 7%. Next question 51. French bean variety Pusha Parvati developed by X-rays radiation by the utilizing parents. Answer is by Wexford. 52. The number of cultivated yam species in India is? Answer is 3. 53. According to Wavilaw 1951, reported onion originated from? Answer is originated from Afghanistan. Kharif onion varieties suited commercially cultivation? Answer is Agri found tagged. Question 55. Onion variety suited for export purpose is Arka Bindu. Next question 56. Optimum day length requirement for flowering in potato? Answer is 16-hour long day. 57. Onion bulb dipping done for good quality flowering? Answer is dipping in GA or gibberellic acid. 58. Onion bulbs are stored at 6 to 8 months at the temperature of, we can store at 0 to 4 degrees Celsius. 59. Among which variety of cucumber Swarna AGT pure line method used? Progenitor of cucumber is C. Hardwicky. Best quality of oleoresin extracted from which crop? Answer is oleoresin extracted from chili. Onion umbel drip treatment given before emasculation at temperature. Next question 63. Vegetable crop tolerate at saline soil condition? Answer is sugar beet. 64. High temperature and high light intensity induced in cucurbits induce male flowers in cucurbits. 65. Breeder seed production in onion carried out by bulb seed method. 66. Among earliest maturity variety of potato is? Answer is early maturity variety is Kurfi Ashoka. Next question 67. The processing attributes quality of potato? Answer is high dry matter and low rate sugar. 68. The quality of tomato for processing of purees and paste, high consistency and viscosity. 69. Feast improved variety of EFY. Answer is Shri Padma is a variety of EFY. The variety of EFY free from acridity. Answer is Gajendra. 71. The chemical compound used in inducing male flower in gynoecium. Answer is in cucumber. Answer is AgNO3 or silver nitrate. 72. The inbreeding depression found in. Answer is all of these: cabbage, cauliflower and nolkol. 73. Pusha Dipti is a variety of. Answer is Pusha Dipti is a variety of capsicum. Seed rate of garlic 1 hectare is 500 to 600 kg per hectare. Next question 75. Pyrethrum 30 used in inducing flower in long day, short day, day neutral dark or green foliage leaf. Next question 76. SPT in potato should be given by. Answer is scientist Pushkar Nath in 1965. The onion variety suited for dehydration is Pusha White round variety. The highest export earning vegetable crop is onion. 79. Little leaf of brinjal is transmitted by. Answer is Cestius fistatic. Next question. In IPM or integrated pest management techniques following used in tomato is. Answer is marigold. The cultivated potato is autotetraploid, which is tetraploid. ZTCC was developed by. Answer is scientists S.K. Roy and Khurdia. 83. The resiness in cauliflower due to. Answer is caused by unfavorable temperature. Next question is dioxazine in found in among which crop? Answer is found in fenugreek. Next question 85. The among which is monocot vegetable crop? Answer is monocot vegetable crop is Colocasia. The highest broccoli producing country in the world is USA. Red color in chili is basically due to presence of capsaicin. The variety of onion developed by utilizing male sterility is Arka Kirtiman. The whole edible pod variety of pea. Answer is UN53. Maturity in pea was judged by. Answer is judged by Dendrometer. The major garlic producing state in India. First is Gujarat, second Odisha and third is MP. Cross pollination by high temperature in tomato occurs due to which mechanism? Mechanism is extended stigma condition or stigma elongated at high temperature. Calcium rich vegetable crop is. Answer is Amaranthus. Next question. Self pollination in leaf Amaranthus due to mainly. Self pollination occur because of more number of male flower. Which vegetable seed viability is less than 1 year? Answer is tomato, brinjal, okra and onion. 96. Pure line method largely used to improve. Answer is it is used in self pollinated crops. 97. Arka Ajit is an improved variety of. It is a variety of pea. Pusa Nazdar is a variety of rich gourd. Botanical name of lima bean is P. lunatus. Question 100. Pusa Rasras is improved variety of musk melon. River belt cultivation suited which group of vegetable? Answer is more in watermelon and less in muskmelon. Swarna Rekha is a variety of pointed gourd. The term of epistaxis was coined by scientist Batson. Next question is 104. In brinjal seed and fruit set can improve by the spray of, answer is 240 at the rate of 2 ppm. 105. PGR or plant growth regulator is sprayed in cucurbits crop in 2 to 4 leaf stage. 106. Seed ball 2 to 6 used in propagating, answer is it is used in propagating beetroot. 107. The microorganism causing rotting in vegetable crop, which is question 108. Cavity spot occurs due to calcium. Pillow disorder in cucumber is a deficiency of calcium element. Maturity group in vegetable crop found in cauliflower. Cheapest method of preservation, answer is drying. Question 112. Temporary method of preservation, answer is temporary method of preservation is dehydration. Which cane used in canning of pea, answer is plain cane is used in canning of pea. Black heart in potato occur at the temperature of, answer is at the temperature of 0 degrees Celsius. Phomopsis blight, serious problem seed crop is, which is a problem of brinjal. Brinjal bitterness caused if glycol alkaloid X is less than 20 mg per 100 gram flesh. Next question. Asparagus edible part used as spear. Most vegetable dehydration done at a temperature at 60 to 66 degrees Celsius. Pusa snowball is a variety of cauliflower. Broccoli or anti-cancer chemical compound is 3,4-thiocarbamate. Detopping is a mechanical harvesting followed in Brussels sprout. 122. Bitter gourd seed extraction fruit harvesting done in dark yellow stage. Next question. MCPA is a synthetic retardant. What is a MCPA? It is a synthetic retardant. Ancestor of coal crop is B. Oleracea variety sylvestris. 125. Vegetable forcing means growing of vegetable in off season. Next question 126. Celery edible part is fleshy leaf stalk. Great Lakes is a variety of lettuce. The highest TSS contains and uses breeding species is S. chimelewski. Reuben is processed product of turnip. Root seed method used planting root stock called stackling. Isolation distance for pea is 50 meter. Botanical name of spine guard is M. dioica. Next question 133. The removal of field heat from produced called pre-cooling. Next question 134. Chromosome number cultivated okra species. Cultivated okra species chromosomes are 130. 135. The family of Sauropus androgynous, answer is U for BSc. The F1 hybrid is a cross between. Next question is 137. The mechanism SSI used a hybrid seed production in, answer is used in coal crops. Ethylene absorbent is KMNO4 and selite. Browning in cauliflower due to deficiency of boron. Multiple disease resistant variety DM, PM and anthracnose and angular leaf spot in cucumber is, which is a poinsettia. Inbreeding is commercially used in improvement of, answer is cucurbits. First commercial product C3 plant photosynthesis is, first commercial product C3 plant photosynthesis is, answer is oxalic acid. Thank you guys. I hope this video is very useful for your future exams. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe our channel Agriculture and GK.